Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Anthony Lugg. Just over 180 businesses across more than 25 countries participated in the 42nd staging of the Caribbean Travel Marketplace hosted by the Caribbean Hotel and Tourism Association. Participants say the event presented an opportunity to secure new business and boost existing partnerships.
The COVID-19 pandemic brought the tourism sector to its knees. Now stakeholders are looking for every opportunity to secure new bookings. They gathered at the 2024 staging of the Caribbean Travel Marketplace, which featured several companies that sell the Caribbean as a destination, along with travel advisors and technology suppliers.
Our company's come before, but we wanted to, experience it again, and really just wanted to connect with the Caribbean hoteliers and see how we could hopefully help the Caribbean islands.
We've definitely advanced conversations, and hopefully we'll see what comes out of the end of the week, hopefully the end of the month.
Is this your first year?
No, this is not my first year. I've been coming to CHTA for probably since 2018. We really started focusing in the Caribbean as a market in 2017, 2018.
For the suppliers, which include hotels and affiliated chains around the region.
Every year is different. We walk away with different connections, different opportunities, and that's the reason we keep coming year after year.
Why is this kind of event important?
Because you have to refresh, you have to be in front of your clients and be top of mind. And this is a great place for a one-stop shop and, meet everybody in one spot.
We came here just to kind of meet a few people, but the people that we actually been doing business with before we just enlarged a lot of things. So we basically maintained, and it was just a fabulous experience here.
We have secured some great deals we deal mostly at these trade shows with tour operators. So they have the travel agents, thousands of travel agents from across the world under their belt. So we start at the top, and they're almost a one-stop shop to get the business in the door to all these travel agents. So those, yes, we have secured some great relationships with them, new tour operators, and strengthened the relationships we've had with some existing tour operators.
President of the CHTA, Nicola Madden-Gregg, says this was one of the largest stagings in the 42-year-old event's history.
So we had 25 countries in terms of buyers. We had also 38 new buyers, and we had just about 250 buyer companies and buyer delegates. You have your same partners that come in here and they continue to sell the Caribbean and they continue to expand their portfolio, but we also need to get into new markets and have new persons be able to experience what the Caribbean tourism product is about and go back home and sell that to their, nationals and their customers. So far so good. Everybody has think it's a fantastic show. We've really been seeing a lot of great uptake. Of course, we added the MICE part of the program, so we had the meetings and groups and incentives component, and that went extremely well. We have had well over 12,700 appointments.
The CHTA says it will be tracking with its members the deals secured from the event. For the Financial Week, I'm Javon Keys.
And NCB Financial Group has extended its additional public offering APO by 1 week. The offer will now close on Monday, June 3. The APO, which opened on May 6, 2024, brings to the market 78 million new ordinary shares at a cost of 65 Jamaican dollars per share. NCB has the ability to upsize to a maximum of just over 117 million shares. The offer was to close on May 27. NCB Financial Group says the fund will be used to reduce debt and bolster the company's capital. Foreign exchange ended today with the banks and Cambio selling the American dollar for an average $156.60. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.07. $199.62 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $173.72. The JSE index declined by 237 points, while the junior market advanced by 11 points. Among the 44 winners were ISB Finance Services, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and Berger Paints Jamaica. The 35 losers included Indies Pharma Jamaica Ordinary Shares, MFS Capital Partners, Cygnus Credit Investments US Dollar Shares, Mayberry Jamaica Equity, and Palace Amusement Co. 28 stocks traded firm. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Anthony Lug. Good evening.